Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Just showing you our 78 K10. And you can see the dome light working, and we haven't got the headliner fixed yet. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. I think the indicator just doesn't work because it works. And you can see your gauge is working. Air isn't missing, but there you can hear the fan working. Stereo, no stereo in it. Horn works. There's your wipers. Show you the lights and let you take a listen to the engine. Runs nice. Got headers on it. Got exhaust comes out right in front of the tires. There you can see the new wiper motor. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor. So you can see there the air lines are missing, compressor's missing, and the condenser is here, but the lines are broke, so you need a new condenser. Like I said, you can see that blinker works, just missing the indicator inside doesn't work. There's the exhaust. So a good, solid Washington truck that'd be one that you can drive as you restore, you know, take it to the next level. There you see a little rust on the inside of the door. So not a rust-free truck, but a good, solid truck. We need a new dash panel. So as you can see, no radio, and I do not know if the dual tank switch works. So that is what we can tell you about it. But like I said, runs, drives good. So any questions? 605-695-7391.